guys, Tyler with Off Leash Canine North Georgia. I have 8-month-old golden retriever Rip here with us. He comes to us for a 1-week board and train program. The big complaints from his owners are not coming when called. If he is gone, he is gone. He takes off and he's not coming back. So we really got to solidify that recall. The other big complaint is the door manners and the greeting manners. If new house guests come in, he's constantly jumping on them, all over the place, no respect whatsoever. A lot of work ahead of us. Stay tuned for the updates. We'll see you all in a week. All right, guys, we're going to see what Rip knows. Rip, come. Good boy. Look at that good boy. Good boy. Yes. Can you sit? Can you sit? Can you sit? That was so good. Good boy. That was such a good man, dude. Good boy. Can you place? Place. Place. Come on, you can do it. Place, 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 place. All right, we're thinking about it. Let's see you get one more recall in here. Oh, Rip, come. Rip, come. Come. That's Rip for you. I'll see you in a week.